Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have terlipresin. Terlipresin is a V1. This terlipresin is a V1 receptor agonist. That is, this terlipresin acts on V1 receptors more commonly than V2 receptors. This terlipresin is used in the production of is used in the treatment of esophageal varices. We can use this terlipresin. But if you see the important points about esophageal varices, the drug of choice for esophageal varices, for acute esophageal varices, it is octreotide is the drug of choice. The drug of choice for prophylaxis of esophageal varices is actually propranolol. But even we can use the terlipresin also in the treatment of esophageal varices.
thank you and thank you for watching.